In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a directory website with Lovable 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a working directory you can search, filter, and publish as a progressive web app, all without wrestling with complex code. We'll start by defining your niche and the structure of your data. Think about who you're building for, maybe local coffee shops, remote jobs, or AI tools. Then list the data each listing needs, like name, address, description, image, category, and rating. Having this mapped out early helps the AI build exactly what you want and keeps your project consistent. Next, head to Lovable and log in. Open the AI chat and describe the look and feel you're going for. Be specific so the UI comes out close to your vision. For example, create a modern, sleek local business directory with a homepage, search bar, and a grid of listing cards. Include a submission form page for users to add new businesses. If the first draft isn't perfect, ask the AI to tweak spacing, fonts, or colors until it matches your brand. Now connect a database. Lovable integrates smoothly with Supabase for storage and authentication. In the editor, go to Integrations or Settings and select Supabase. Link a new or existing project and let Lovable handle the connection. This gives you a secure backend for listings and user accounts without extra setup. With the connection ready, define your database schema through the AI chat based on your plan. For instance, create a listings table in Supabase with columns for name, text, address, text, description, text, category, text, image URL text, ratings, numeric, and approved Boolean. Keep naming consistent so your UI and database align. Let's wire up core features. Ask the AI to add user sign up and log in with email. Connect the submission form on the submit page to the listings table and set approved to false for new entries so you can review them. Then display only approved listings on the home page in your grid layout. As you test, add a few sample records to make sure everything renders correctly. To improve usability, add search and filtering. Guide the AI to implement a search bar that filters by name or description and include category checkboxes in a sidebar. Clear feedback, like empty state messages, helps users know when no results match. Finally, preview your app to confirm authentication, submissions, and search all work. When you're happy, click Publish in Lovable to deploy your directory as a PWA. Share the link, test it on mobile, and you're live.